Welcome back to another video. Today we got email from Harbor Freight. We got high performance series air compressors. So this video is mostly about air compressors from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. Alright, we got Fortress high performance air. If you guys don't know what Fortress is, it's pretty much Harbor Freight's top of the line quiet series air compressors. It's their professional line basically. It's a high pressure technology, easy start technology, low noise. So obviously these are quiet, most of them. You got a 5-gallon, 1.6 horsepower oil free professional air compressor, $329.99. And then you have this one. This one's the 27. This one's pretty big. Oil free air professional air compressor. Air delivery, quieter. I'm trying to find out the dB. Usually that's how much noise they make. Doesn't really say. Only says 25% quieter. This one says 50% quieter. Brushless motor on this one. Let's see, PSI, more runtime. Yeah, it doesn't really tell you the dB. If you go directly to Harbor Freight website, they tell you what the dB is. So, anyways, $399 for that. We got a Fortress Ultra Quiet series. These are quieter than those. This is ultra quiet. Let's see if this one does tell you the dB. It does not. Okay, yeah, you have to go to the website. Anyways, this is the 1 gallon, 0.5 horsepower, ultra quiet, oil free, $129.99. This is the 2 gallon, 1.2 horsepower, $169.99. This is the 4 gallon. This is the bigger one. That is the newest. High performance oil free professional air compressor. This is 200 psi, $219.99. And then the central pneumatic is going to be like the basic one, the cheapest one they have. We used to have a coupon. I don't know if we still have it for $149.99 for this one. Not a bad compressor. However, if you want something a little better, I would recommend you guys go for this one. This one's going to be your upgraded version. It has the valve there in the convenient place and pretty much nice little gauges there, and everything's more convenient there. You got $169.99 for that, $174.99 for this, and $229.99 for that. You got the good better here, $124 for the central pneumatic, and $124 for the McGraw. So pretty much the same compressor, just a little upgraded for there for you. And this is going to be the bigger ones, the central pneumatic compressors. This is a 60 gallon, 165 psi, 2-stage air compressor, $799.99. This is the 9 gallon, 135 psi gas powered wheelbarrow air compressor, $599. And then you got the 30 gallon, 180 psi truck bed gas powered air compressor, 420 cc, $1,199. Yeah, this is a big guy. All these are big. They're huge. Now these are going to be like your really basic air compressors. Mostly for really light duty use, weekend warrior type of thing. Especially these. These are just for nail guns and painting something small. Not really for power pneumatic tools or anything like that. So if you're planning on running tools, you gotta buy something like this or some of the ones above. You got good central pneumatic, better and best. These are all good. Depends on your price range, and if you have a professional shop, go with the Earthquake XT. Got some more fittings there. I gotta say, Merlin fittings and all the kits that they have, this brand is really nice. All the nice finishes, pretty good metal there. Like I said, the price is not bad. $5.99, definitely a great set. This Diablo hoses are real nice. They're pretty tough. They do last a long time. $18.99. Here's the Merlin stuff. Merlin professional air accessories, up to 4 times longer life. Yeah, these are really nice sets. So I'm not gonna go over in detail on all these sets, but yeah, like this one does include the gauge and everything. This is mostly for a better brand there. And Earthquake XT is Harbor Freight's best. brand is an Air Tools and Impact. They do have an Earthquake XT. They do have a line of Air Impact battery operated. So just if you're a professional, keep an eye out for that. This is the 12-volt lithium Corliss 3/8 extreme torque ratcheting kit, $99.99. Yeah, as a matter of fact, I just looked at a video review on YouTube about this because I'm interested in getting it. They did compare it to the Snap-on and the Milwaukee, and pretty much for the price, this is like less than half of the price of the other ones. So at $100, you get a charger, a battery, and a tool for under $100. And the other one, I believe the closest one was Milwaukee, that's twice as much as this, and then Snap-on was like $400 or something like that. But yeah, this one did have the lowest torque out of all the ones that they tested. But then again, just keep an eye out. These ratchets are not designed to break loose or a heavy torque. That's why you have impact guns. These are mostly for lighter type of or smaller type of screws and stuff like that around the vehicle where you can't get a big gun there. But anyways, this is a very good thing here. Another good thing is this 13-piece half-inch drive dip impact sockets. I do have them work real good. Anything that's impact from Harbor Freight Pittsburgh, it's really good. This is the new line of Black Widow sprayers. Haven't used them personally. I haven't used any of these personally, but yeah, this is their top of the line, and this is their. It's always $9.99 at the parking lot sales. You know, have multiple of these for different colors or different applications depending on what you're going to be doing. Got the Banks nailers and staplers, always a nice set. I do have the Central Pneumatic, the cheaper ones out of all these, and I gotta say I'm pretty happy with them. They do work, they do the job. They put nails into the wood. Baxter Professional Air Sanders, then again, really nice looking tools here. Haven't tried it myself. Same thing with the Chief. Haven't tried it myself. I couldn't tell you guys from experience, but they look pretty good. I mean, you can look at the reviews here for each tool, as it says here, customer rating, and Harbor Freight does leave their bad comments or customer ratings. So if they're gonna have something bad, they'll always go to the website. Make sure you read the comments and the ratings for each tool that you're gonna buy, and do some research online. Make sure that's the tool that's good for you. Anyways, just thought I made this video. Feel free to use these coupons. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one.